Welcome to our Google Sheet tutorial. In this video, we will explore how to use the Google Translate function in Google Sheet. Google Translate function in Google Sheet allow you to translate text directly within your spreadsheet. The syntax for the Google Translate function is very simple. First, text. The text you want to translate. Source language. The language code of the original text. The last one is target language. The language code you want to translate into. Let's check some example. Suppose you have a list of greetings in a different language and you want to translate them all into German. The formula is equal to Google Translate. Then select the text cell. In this case, we will select the A3. Source language, the language code of the original text. So our original text is in English, so we will select the EN. Target language, the language code you want to translate. In our case, we want to translate in German, so we will select DE. To get the language code, you can visit Google Developers website. As you can see here, Google Sheets support a wide range of language code. You can translate text between almost any language you need. And that's how you use the Google Translate function in Google Sheet. Whether you are working with the international data or just need a quick translation, this function can be real-time saver. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like, subscribe and click the notification bell for more Google Sheet tips.